Good morning, sir. Welcome to El Siang Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
Can I have your name, sir?
Paropesa.
We have prepared table for you, sir. This way, sir. By the way, sir, my name is Johannes Owel, your server for today. By the way, sir, may I lay your table napkin?
Yes.
Here's your water. Do you want some?
No.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu?
Yes.
I'll be back to take your order, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your order. Salad, beef, main course, and mango ice cream. Excuse me, sir. May I suggest to you our red wine made in 1899 to complement your steak? Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer. Excuse me, sir. May I clear, sir? Are you done, sir? Excuse me, sir.
So.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your wine made in 1899. Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your order. Beef, main course. Excuse me, sir. Are you done, sir? May I clear?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, here's your order. Mango ice cream.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. I received what I can. I'll be back to you. Thank you for dining with us. I hope you'll see you again.